They do run small. Just I want to give you guys that heads up if you're gonna get these type of shoes. Boom! Now what do we got here today? Ooh, I have never seen this box before in my life. What we got here? Just do it. We got some shoes, we're just gonna do it. Today, we got the, you already know, Nike Air VaporMax 360. So these are the newest shoe release as of, well, when you're watching this. So 2020, we'll call it that. These are the like brand new VaporMax 2020s. Let's just crack it to the video. Ready? Drum roll. Oh, already like it. Already, you see that? Already like it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Holy. Bajimi. Wow, that's sick. Okay, so this reminds me, I don't recall the shoe, but it reminds me of a classic old school shoe. Wow. These are fire. These remind me of like what like rappers wear, like not rappers, but like, you know, people like a little bit of change in their pocket. But let's check it out. Right off the bat, they look futuristic. Like, they look like expensive. They look like, whoa, what kind of shoes are those? Definitely they're gonna be showstoppers. No doubt about that. That whole Volt colorway with like the dynamic, like multicolor, like kind of pink on this side, but kind of purple on this side, but blue on this side. That's really nice. So we got a sticker here. What's it say? Upper contains synthetic leather. Ho ho! We got synthetic leather. So I'm thinking this is synthetic leather. Something. There's leather on the shoe, guys. So, oh wow, what is this? Is this a tracker or what the hell? What the hell? Yo, this is a new review for me too. Like, the hell? All right, let's take a moment. Let me get some of my. If you want to know what this powdery residue drink is, it's at the end of the video. All right, so let's start off with the bottoms. The bottoms look like there's a tracker on them. I don't think. Hold up, wait a second. Shut the lights off. Let's see if they're glow in the dark. No, they're not glow in the dark. Turn the lights back on. All right. So the bottom has this little tracker thingy on it, which I like. It looks badass. Regular VaporMax bubbles. Sides. Let's go to the sides now. So sides have this like styrofoam material here. This white styrofoam material all along the edge. These is like that material that's super hard, like plastic. And then what my favorite part about this is that they chose, I'm thinking this is a synthetic leather. So all this green or Volt is synthetic leather. And technically, like where the shoe gets dirty, like I have some VaporMax 3s right here. You see how they get kind of dirty off the sides? So I'm going to be doing a comparison video of a VaporMax 3 versus a VaporMax 360 and of a VaporMax Max, Air Max. There's just so many VaporMaxes, like I got to start buying other types of shoes. Who am I kidding? No, I'm not. Okay, so we got the VaporMax 360. We got these little pocket holes. Honestly, we got 2 Nike signs on the front, and pretty much I'm just gonna show you guys on the feet now. Like first impressions, I got nothing negative to say about the shoe. It's everything that, you know, the reason why I bought it. It's different. It just pops. It's like, oh, damn. But now we're going to go on the comfort. I'm going to go ahead and put these on the feet and show you guys how they actually look. All right, so right off the bat, guys, I'm going to be quite honest with you. Okay, shoes run small. So I would suggest definitely, like, this shoe is already touching the toe. This one feels okay. But definitely, no, they feel tight. Like, I literally, unless they're not 12 and a half, hold on. 12 and a half, so they do run small. Just, I want to give you guys that heads up if you're gonna get these type of shoes. So like I said, guys, they definitely need to be ordered a size bigger. But I'm gonna tell you something, man. They do look popping, and it's just like the whole colorway sock combo looks sick from point of view. So I'm gonna give you guys my hold on. Final thoughts on the shoe, guys. They're a beautiful shoe. I just don't like that you got to order a size bigger. So if you're a size 8, order an 8.5. If you're a size 9, 9.5, XXXO. You know, so beautiful shoes. They're a little extra squeakier than I would like it, but they're VaporMaxes. So only con that I see from just for visual first impressions to not even wearing them, and you know, they're a little uncomfortable from here. I can already tell you that. But that might just be because they're tight on me. So definitely order up a size, and then there's no flexibility up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear these out for a few weeks, maybe even sooner. I might come back with the updated, if they're really worth the 200 and I don't know how much, 240, yeah, like $240 I spent on them, taxes and everything included. All right, guys, so I'm about to shoot into the magic shake, and that's it, guys. Peace. So, I know a lot of you guys like my little lemon juice, little energy morning booster. Well, this is what I call the everyday, you know, take a little break. Or, you know, you need a quick pick-me-up during the day. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys my secrets right here. So, we got 3 powders here. I'm not going to show you the brands because we're not sponsored. You could technically just, let me just show you guys what I'm saying. So first one here, we got beta alanine. This is the first. You could do your research. I'm just gonna tell you what it is because this is a shoe review, but throwing it here. So we got beta alanine. Comment down below if you want more like advice on this. Here we got BCAAs. Okay, so, oh, this is lemonades. This is really good. I love lemons. So, lemonade, boom. Here, we got creatine monohydrate. It's your basic general creatine, but it's very beneficial. So, you're gonna grab a spoonful. Just gonna go in there. Don't be cheap. Like yay so. Goes in there. Shake it up, and you're ready to go. Power. So this is how the finished product looks like. Delicious. And make sure y'all get your vitamins in. 1 pill a day, that's it. So, pretty much, energy, heart, immune, muscle, cell, blood. 1 a day, boys.